Hello, my name is Terence. I'm going to tell you a story about waiting for package. I can't wait to receive my package. Even though I know it won't arrive until this afternoon, I simply cannot wait. I wish the mail carrier arrived earlier. My pen pal told me he sent a package a week ago. I suppose it had to travel quite a distance. He said he sent a lot of things with a sculpture of the mountain. I hope he enclosed some postcards. He said there's a lot of snow on the ground and the fireplace on his house is always lit. I can't imagine that. I wear shirts every day. Having a pen pal is great fun, but waiting for packages is no fun at all. Thanks for listening.